Now I remember way back in the day when I got my first network router. It was before we even had wireless. And the way you used to configure this thing was using a telnet session from the DOS prompt. Once you were logged on, you'd be confronted with all kinds of menus and strange looking options that didn't make a whole lot of sense. If you didn't have a lot of networking background, it was pretty difficult to get one of these things set up right. Well, nowadays, most consumer networking gear comes with a built-in sort of little web server that we can use to get in and configure our router with a very intuitive interface. Once you're familiar with a router and all its options, making configuration changes on your router is a simple matter of logging in and making a few mouse clicks here and there, and you're done. It's actually not much more difficult than looking something up on Google or checking your email. The way you access the configuration page is to simply type the router's IP address into your web browser. If you type in the right IP address and you're on the same network as the router, you'll be asked to type in a username and password. If you get that right, boom, you're in. Now, actually accessing the router's configuration page can be a little bit tricky, but we'll get into the specifics of that in our actual tutorials.